Okay, traditional lesson versus flip lesson. Which one will work best for you? In a traditional classroom, the teachers will do most of the talking. It's mostly lecture and then homework, while a flip lesson plan, students get the lecture before the class, look it over, and ask questions in the next class period. So, before class in a traditional class lesson plan, this teacher might assign some look over the vocab words or read the chapter overview before class, and then the next day is nothing but a lecture. While in a flip class lesson plan, students will receive the lecture to watch, to listen, or to read, either read the chapter, or the teacher might record a video and have it posted so they can watch the lecture before class, so they are ready to show their understanding. So in class, on a traditional lesson plan, students will sit through a long lecture, either 45 minutes to an hour, whatever the class period is. That's how long they're listening to the teacher talk, trying to take notes, trying to keep up. Usually they don't. They usually fall behind. Students, though, in a flip lesson plan, actually have time in class because they already had the lecture the night before. Now they have time to ask questions, make sure they understand what they watched, read, or learned. They will also make sure that the teacher will talk to them now one-on-one to make sure they know what they're doing. They will work in groups and put their new skills to work and probably do some of their homework in class. Then at home, in a traditional lesson, students will have a whole mountain load of homework, either writing an essay about what they did or worksheets, and they have to test their understanding. In a flip lesson plan, they have less homework because they did it in class during class period with the teacher there to help them understand it because they already had the lecture the night before. That way they get to test their new skills and not have to sit and do a whole bunch of homework. So, all in all, whichever one works best for your class is which one you choose, but which one will work best for you, you'll have to figure that out.